Hey guys, JK Daddle here, and it is 10:28 a.m. So we're almost about 30 minutes into the launch here. If we go over here and take a look at our affiliate stats, so you can see here using the Destiny strategy, I've gotten 9 people to click over onto the sales page. I've gotten 2 purchases, so 22.2% conversion rate, and I've made $17.34, and that traffic is just from using the Destiny strategy. I've got a couple other promotional strategies I'm using right here. Hijack is a product that might be coming out later in the year. I'm just testing it right now. But yeah, overall, half an hour in, made $17, and basically everything's kind of running on autopilot right now. So we'll come back a little bit later, see how we're doing, but 30 minutes in, we already got 2 sales. So far, so good. All right, guys, so I'm just about to do a little update here. It is 12:57 p.m., so we're almost 3 hours into the launch right now. I've done absolutely nothing except send off one of those Destiny messages. Let me go over to check here. You can see we got 15 hops, 7 sales, so about 50, almost a 50% conversion rate. Made $65 just using the Destiny strategy. I think I just got another sale actually, because I just heard my phone vibrate. I think I got it from my list. So yeah, this, guys, remember, just, this is all free traffic right here, right? I haven't paid for any of this traffic. It's not a huge amount of huge amount of hops, but the conversion rate is insanely good. I'm making $4 for every click I send over to the sales page. So 3 hours in, all I've done is send off that one Destiny message, and that's it. So let's check and see where we're at a couple hours from now. Alright guys, JK Daddle here with you for another quick update. The time right now is 5:02 p.m., so we're about 7 hours into launch. And just to be completely transparent with you guys, I've done literally nothing today. I actually just left my office for about 3 hours today to go watch the World Cup, watched England lose to Belgium. I came back, and let me just do another refresh here. I think, yeah, okay, so we're at, you can see right now for the Destiny stream right here, we've only got 20 hops, right? So I've only sent 20 people over to the sales page. I've gotten 16 sales, an 80% conversion rate, $10.91 per click. So for every click I send over there, I'm getting $10.91. I've made $200 in 7 hours. And literally, I've done absolutely nothing. I sent the Destiny message, as I explained earlier, and that's it, right? So today I've done literally nothing. I've had quite a few beers, actually, so today is kind of a write-off. But yeah, look at this. It's working for me completely passively today, $218. And yeah, it's working really good. So we're 7 hours in. I'm going to make another video. I'm going home from my office for the evening. Once I come in tomorrow, I'll make another video update and see where we're at that point. JK Daddle here, and I wanted to do a quick follow-up video just to finalize the case study and show you how we did overall with using the Destiny strategy to promote passive income machine. Now today is actually July 1st, 11:26 a.m. I wanted to shoot this video a day after, so 24 hours after, and I did shoot that video. The problem was the audio got corrupted and the file just is no longer working. So unfortunately, I'm not doing it directly the day after, but we can actually take a look at how we've done over the past couple of days. And these are the stats so far. Now I've actually got 2 Destiny tags here, Destiny 1 and Destiny 2. This is just a couple of little tweaks I've made to the pre-sale page just to see if I could get a higher conversion rate. It actually produced a lower conversion rate. But what we want to do here is, right now we're looking at kind of all time. What I want to do is just look at the first day. So what I'm going to do is just change this over to the 28th. That was the day the product launched, and I want to just go to the 29th, the day after, and take a look at how we did. So from the first Destiny tag, in the first 24 hours, we did 20 sales over 28 hops. So that's 28 individual people came onto the sales page through my affiliate link, and there were 20 sales made. So that's a 71% conversion rate. We made $261. Now I also have Destiny 2 down here. This one is, like I said, it's the same thing. I'm still running the same traffic to it. I just made a few changes to my pre-sale page. This one got 21 hops and got 12 sales, a lower conversion rate, 57%, still really, really good. And we made $134.90 on that. Now, if we add all that up together, we're going to get $261.29 plus $134.90. So using the Destiny strategy, I've made just under $400. We'll call it $400 in 24 hours just by sending out those same messages that I showed you previously using the Destiny message system. I've got other sales here from my list and stuff like that. And then overall, if we look at just the past 7 days in total, and that would be, today's the 1st of July, like I said. I think I said 1st of June before. Today's 1st of July. So overall, from the 28th onto the 1st, so it's about 3 days, we've got 40 sales using the Destiny strategy, and that combined together is over about $500 if we combine both of those together. So $500 in about 3 days, just using the Destiny strategy, promoting one product, and yeah, completely free traffic being sent over to this, guys. And this is a really, really effective way to start doing affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for sticking with the case study. My name is Jake Cadell, and I will see you inside Destiny.